see how many highs I can get back.
Watermelon sugar. Hi, baby, do you wanna be?
And
Like
I
they
think
all
to
do.
myself, what a burger.
I'm a big
And
fan.
potato and derpy potato.
Do they serve hepatitis at Whataburger? I've never been.
Anybody at residential pardon? Me too. I've done worse. Bone cancer.
As you can guess from the lack of, I guess, material, there wasn't much that went on in February, but that's okay, because there were much more happened in the coming months.
Hello, everybody. My name is Welcome. Welcome.